Hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a Evva 5-pin Euro cylinder. Quite interesting bitting on it. All works quite nicely, but quite grubby, a lot of tarnish on here. And very mushy feeling inside. No positive clicks or anything. So let's just swivel this a fraction. We'll give it a go, see if we can get it stripped, and then we might see if I can get it all cleaned up. And so that was a click on 3. Try it again sometime. So it's not even really a positive click, it's just a like sort of a clunky. You can just feel something through the pick. Right, I've actually got a click on 5. Nothing on 2 or 1. Right, we've got another bit of movement on 3. And 4. And 5. One's a bit awkward to get onto because it's very high set. Right, little click on 2, 3, 4. Nothing, that was me slipping off the pin. 5. And 1. So there we go. Not too difficult to actually pick. I say very little feedback, nothing much going on. So let's stick that down there. Get the camera moved. And let's see if we can get into this. So we'll have that end there. Let's try and get this clip off. This doesn't seem to want to move. That's better. Definitely coming now. There we go. That's the clip off. Let's get this round to there. And pinning shoe. That's in there. Let's see if this core will come out. No, why not? There we go. I haven't got a clue what we're going to find in here. have here? Right, we have a standard steel pin, standard brass, standard brass, standard brass, standard brass. And let's tip anything out that's going to fall out. That's it. So let's pull these out one at a time. Right, and we have a standard, that was 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So very long driver pins. So, funny enough, actually not as grubby as it felt like it was going to be. Mind you, it could be, because those springs, yeah, there is some muck coming out. The rest of those springs aren't coming out, they're stuck in there. So I think it could definitely do with a clean up. See if it improves the way it picks, but we shall try that again at a later date. But there we go, just all standard pins, nothing on the core, all standard. So, and actually pretty grubby, bit of drill protection in there, but that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was the Evva 5-pin Euro cylinder, and see you again soon. Bye.